NIT Raipur, the second established amongst the 31 NITs all over India in 1956, would be our focus for college review that has received an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. NIT is a top choice for aspiring students. Let's explore why it's preferred for BTech, starting with placements, which has been rated 3.9 stars. According to the NIRF 2024 report for the 4-year UG programs, 734 out of 969 graduating students in 2022-23 secured placements, with some opting for higher studies, making the placement rate to be 76%, a significant increase from 2021. Notable recruiters making a visit to the campus include JSW, Apollo Tyres Limited, TCS, JP Cement, Amazon, Deloitte, among others. The roles offered were that of software and full-stack developer, data analyst, back-end and front-end engineer, business analyst, to count a few. The highest salary stood at 55 lakh per annum. The median salary in 2022-23 was 9.5 lakh per annum, showing an increase of 25% from 2021-22. A comparison of median salaries between NIT Raipur, NIT Srinagar and NIT Kurukshetra reveals that NIT Raipur presents a comparatively less competitive salary. The institution supports summer internships lasting 8 to 12 weeks, providing students with opportunities both nationally and internationally at places like MIT, UC Berkeley, Smart Factory Owl, IITs, IIScs, and other leading multinational corporations. The 4-year BTech program offers 11 specializations including mining engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, and biomedical engineering. Admission requires a 75% in 10+2 and a JEE Main DASA UG rank based on merit. Competition for electrical engineering is higher, resulting in a lower closing rank compared to other specializations. Comparing JEE Main closing ranks, NIT Kurukshetra has higher competition for admission than NIT Raipur and NIT Srinagar. Let's take a look at the program cost, where for the 4-year BTech program, the total fees is 5.5 lakh, excluding the hostel charges of 2.17 lakhs. Students can apply for scholarships through the national portal under the state-specific and merit-cum-means criterion. Moving on now to look at the infrastructure that has been rated 3.7 stars. The institute is located in Raipur, Chhattisgarh on a 100-acre campus, just 5 kilometers from the railway station and 14 kilometers from the airport. The Wi-Fi-enabled campus has well-equipped classrooms with projectors and smart boards, lecture halls, auditoriums, departmental libraries, and high-tech lab facilities accessible as per specialization chosen. The labs include tissue engineering, microprocessor and microcontroller, drugs and pharmaceuticals, system software, artificial intelligence, concrete, data structures, and CAD/CAM. The campus has 5 boys' hostels with a capacity of 1,180 and 3 girls' hostels accommodating 420 students. The first-year hostel admission is based on JEE Main merit list, with the students highlighting the difficulty in securing hostels. The campus offers an array of sports facilities including grounds for volleyball, badminton, cricket, an activity center, a gymnasium, along with medical services, a canteen, a CCD, a departmental store, a guest house, and enhanced student safety measures. Faculty rated 3.8 primarily consists of PhD scholars from IITs and NITs. While some faculty members are praised for their unique teaching methodologies, the teacher-student ratio is 1:90, highlighting a concerning shortage of teaching staff. Students must maintain a 75% attendance in the theory and practicals to sit for exams, with passing marks set for 35% for theory and 50% for practicals. The curriculum benefits from collaborations with CSIR, IIT Kanpur, and NIT Rourkela. With a rating of 4 for campus life, students find ample engagement through 18 diverse clubs that span both curricular and co-curricular activities. The campus is vibrant with events like the annual fest, Green Fest, and cultural celebrations. Interestingly, students have the opportunity to refine their critical thinking, technical expertise, and problem-solving skills through a series of workshops, conferences, and webinars centered on pivotal fields like artificial intelligence, biomechanics, coding, and robotics. To sum up, NIT Raipur is ranked 71st in engineering, down from 65th in 2022 as per the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on National Institute of Technology Raipur and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.